In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate OBS with your video conferencing app for a professional-looking meeting experience. First, let's talk about OBS, a powerful open-source software used for video recording and live streaming. To begin, you'll want to add your video source to OBS. This could be your webcam, professional camera, or any video feed you'd like to showcase. When you open OBS, you'll see a Sources panel at the bottom of the window. Click on the plus icon to add a new source. You might choose Video Capture Device for a webcam setup. This step ensures you have your primary video input ready for your audience to see. Next, let's adjust the layout. OBS provides numerous customization options, allowing you to arrange your sources in a visually appealing way. You can resize, reposition, and tweak each element in the scene to get the exact look you're aiming for. Feel free to add overlays or text if necessary, or adjust the size and placement of your video feed to create a more engaging visual experience. Taking the time to organize everything neatly can significantly enhance your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to start the virtual camera feature in OBS. This is found in the Controls panel, typically located on the right-hand side. By clicking on Start Virtual Camera, you're essentially turning your OBS setup into a virtual webcam that can be selected as a video source in other applications. This exciting feature allows your custom video presentation to be used in any virtual meeting software that accepts webcam input. With your virtual camera running, open your preferred meeting app. This could be Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or any other conferencing platform. Once your meeting app is launched, navigate to the Video Settings section. Here you will typically find a drop-down menu or an option to select your camera source. Instead of the default camera, select OBS Virtual Camera from the list. This step is crucial as it routes the OBS output directly to your meeting app, providing that professional look you meticulously created earlier. Now that the technical setup is complete, you're ready to start your meeting. Join or host your conference call as you normally would, and your participants will see the customized video feed from OBS. If needed, you can switch scenes or adjust the layout on the fly within OBS to adapt to the flow of your meeting. This kind of flexibility can elevate your presentation, keeping your audience more engaged. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage the powerful features of OBS to deliver a visually engaging experience in your virtual meetings. It's all about creating a captivating and professional presentation effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore and experiment with OBS to uncover even more creative possibilities for your virtual gatherings.